Vikings, beautiful background music. Now wouldn't it be amazing if it keeps playing even after closing the window? Maybe there's an in-game music player we could use to trigger specific civilization music. I'm going to show you a way how to do it. I'm playing this game over 1000 days. I didn't know about this little trick. Now a shout out is going to Hex in Discord who pointed out this one to me and therefore to us, to every one of us, how we can trigger specific music. Let's straight jump into it. Zoom in onto a city. We're hearing the soundtrack a lot because everyone is using France for the healing, and I know Shogun has the best music. He has a Viking civilization, therefore the Viking music is playing. Now the stop button. Click campaign and go out again. The music stops playing. Now if you want to play the same soundtrack again, you have to switch to another civilization first and then to the one you want to hear, because there's no like auto loop. It's not working like that. But you can do all the stuff you want on the map, it's no problem. You can also go into events, unless there's something triggering a change. But that's it, your own in-game music player. I know it's just limited to the civilization music, but sometimes you want to get into another mood. Just choose the Vikings or something else you like. I know that Illo Puppet also has very relaxing music, Byzantinium. Just a fast cut for a short video, guys. If you enjoy little tricks like this one and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, smash the thumbs up button to give this video some love, baby, and have a good rest of the day. Enjoy and see you on the next one.